Hi guys, today I received these premium cigar humidors for reviewing purposes. I think it's really nice. It comes very well packaged with foam and bubble wrap, which I think it's perfect. So let's take it everything out of the box and see what comes inside. Okay, the main unit, as you can see, we have a blister clear, so you can be looking at our cigars. Okay, I have quite a few in here. Okay, so let's get it ready. It also has the hygrometer right here to see if it's very dry, normal, perfect humidity. Okay, which I think it's really nice. So let's open this compartment. In here we got some like a water pump, so we can pump into this device. Okay, which be the one that will get all the humidity. Okay, you place it inside. You also got a cigar ash holder. Okay, we have a circular cutter. Okay, these are really nice. And we have this special one that just cuts a little bit. Okay, as you can see, it has a different shape, which I think it's nice. You know, you have both options. Smaller cut with this one, and in here we also get a, well, you can take it all off, and here got this cigar holder. Okay, you can place it like this and place your cigar or in the ashtray, wherever you want to place it. Okay, I'm gonna place all my cigars inside the humidor. Okay, this will be placed inside, like in the middle. It's just like a 70% humidity, which I think it's really nice. Okay, so let's take the cigars out, the wrapping. Here we got one. That way you can have your cigars like this. Okay, really nice arranged in with the humidor perfectly. And as I've said, you can cut with these two, whichever you will like. I'll be using this one. You just place it in, cut, and you have a horizontal cut. Okay, as you can see, now you, as I've said, you can place it in your cigar holder or directly on your cigar ashtray, and then you're ready to enjoy your cigar and pair it with your preferred cocktail. As you can see, it's a perfect gift for your dad, your brother, whatever you want, your boyfriend. It's really nice, and it's nice that you have your cigars at your preferred humidity. Okay, so I will really recommend it. See you guys.